Bismillah mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English.
Should answer. Jawol Dabul. Are you a student? Beleka Almud. Yes, I am. Komi Almud. Yes, he is. Ko Almud. Yes, she is. Ko Almud. Yes, it is. Ko Kanyum. Yes, we are. Ko en. Yes, you are. Ko on. Yes, they are. Ko be. Dum do yidi halde tan ko sa yidi jofari hunde. Ko almudu ko almudu. For example, ko mojo ko mojo. Bangal wide ala. Are you a student? Beleka almudu. No, I'm not. Ala mi wana. No, he's not. Ala ona tawko gorko. No, she's not. Ala ona tawko debbo. No, it's not. Ala dum wona big. It's not. It's not a pen. Dum wona big. No, we're not. Ala en gona. No, you're not. Ala on gona. No, they are not. Sa welama kadi do bangi ala do ada wawi jaborade. No, he isn't. Ala ona. No, she isn't. Ala ona. No, it isn't. Ala dum kay wona. No, we aren't. Ala en gona. No, you aren't. Ala on gona. No, they aren't. Ala bengona. Are you tired? Beleka tampul. Yes, I am. Komi tampul. Are you Olaf? Beleko ajolf. No, I'm not. I'm fuller. Ala miwana. Komi pullo. Is your friend Olaf? Bele sihil ma o ko jolf? Yes, he is. Ko jolf. Are these your keys? Bele dido ko chabi jema? Yes, they are. Koɗe chabi jam. That's my seat. Duma ko jodordam. No, it isn't. Ala wana. What's your name? Hono woni indema? Habib. Are you Senegalese? Bele ko a Senegal lajo? Yes, I am. Komi Senegal lajo. Are you a teacher? Bele ko a janginawo? No, I'm not. Ala mi wona. Are you married? Bele a resi? Yes, I am. Mi resi. Is your wife a lawyer? Bele jumsudu ma o ko avocat? No, she's a designer. Ala ko a creator. Where is she from? Holto ojia. She's from Gambia. Ojia ko Gambi. What's her name? Holno woni inde mako? Her name is Fatima. Inde mako ko Fatima. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe, click the like button and comment below if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.